Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Crack SAP. Now I'm going with a new video and I hope you enjoyed my past videos, and please subscribe, like it, and bell button, press the bell button. Let us see what today we are going for. I'm going to create an asset, and in the asset creation I'll show you how asset class is coming, how asset determination is coming, and the depreciation, how it will be, as well as how to block this asset and how to delete the asset. I'll show you all those things. Yes, let us see. Start. Now I'm going with the directly AS01 for create an asset. Now I'm going with the AS01 for start with the asset class. Where did I asset class is coming here? So this is asset class I'm going to create in the company code 1810, and now I'm going with the give a number machinery 1 and I'll give a machinery 2 here. And if you see, once I enter the enter automatically this has been picked, right? How did it pick? I'll show you in the next. Now I'm going with the dependent. Is there any dependent? Yes, there is a cost center I need to give. There is a cost center because it's a mandatory. If I cost center I have given, automatically profit center has been automatically taken. How it is taken? Because of profit center is assigned to cost center. It means cost center is having a profit center. If I press a profit center, cost center here, automatically profit center and segment will be taken care. Go to next assignment field. If you have a vendor and it is in the account, you can select here or you maintain the text as well. And where is the purchase and asset purchase new or asset purchase earlier, and trade partner and city and all those things. If you have a original asset which is converted, then also you can maintain here. And what is the organization acquisition, actual acquisition, and then all those things you can maintain here as an information. I'm going with a new in a specific. If it is anything else you require, you can go ahead, otherwise no need to optional. But this is an important where it is an LINS. It means it's an state line method. It will going to start. Now it is a useful life for the particular asset which was I'm going to create, which is going to create the same will be created a 8 years life. And what is the depreciation date? So I'm going with the 1/4/2022. So it means physical year for my. And now I hit enter. Just hit enter till the message. There is a message will be ignorable. And I'll press the save here. Now the 2000011 is created. 11 is created. Now I'm going with the change mode. Okay, now I'm hitting the enter. How did it first of all, where it is created here? It is created in the asset class where it is in a configure here. So if you go with the asset, it means financial accounting, SPRO, financial accounting, organization asset accounting, organization structure, asset class, and define an asset class. I'll show you what is the defined asset class here. It's an asset class I have taken. This is the same thing which you are seeing here. And how did it is determined? This is determined from the asset class itself. So if you see here, this is the asset determination which I have given, and this is the asset layout which you are going to generate. This is the number range which it is maintained for this particular asset to be created. Be sure you must aware that this is determination which is assigned to asset class. So that's why it is coming automatically through once I given the asset class. Asset class is asset determination is assigned to asset class. And how it will be GL will going to have determination? Just I'm going with the slash O90. So the GL account will be determination. See now I'm going with this account determination here. This is the account determination which is, for example, if I'm going to show 10, this one. Okay, see, this is the how it is a link. Asset class is created. Asset class is belongs to asset, the account determination is to this one, and this is GL will be assigned to here. Just if you click here, see it's in a book depreciation and IFRS. Now it is, I'm going to open here. This here the GL accounts has been assigned. Understand? I hope. Asset class is having a asset determination having a the GL accounts. This will be linked to the when you are procuring the material asset, when you are retiring the asset, or when you are scrap the asset, that time automatically hit this one. And when you are depreciation, so this is the depreciation, GL accounts will be hitting here. Now I have showed you what is the configuration. You have that actual configuration from where it will be pick automatically here. And now, and second thing, how that this one is determined because of /O AFAMA. So that is a depreciation. These are the depreciation, which was a depreciation area, which was having a depreciation key. These are the depreciation key. We are assigning the depreciation key to the depreciation area. This is the actual calculation which you are going to happen in the asset. What is that? LINS. This is an LINS is here. It is an LI and K LINS. Yeah, see here it's a straight line method 0. See this is the, and if you want, you can go with WDV method. If it is this is a WDV method, and all are in a different. If you like this video, and I'll go ahead with how to create the WDV and the straight line methods with the configuration. I'll show in the next upcoming videos, so please subscribe. Now I'm going out from here, and now I'm going with the how to block. Now I'm going with the block asset AS05 S05. Now it is an asset can be a block here, and AS06 can be delete here. So if you open here, sorry, 12 mean asset. Now I'm going with the AS06, hit enter. Now I'm going to, this is an, you can make it a delete or enter here, and it is in a map. Do not delete the asset or physically delete the asset. This can be used for the delete the asset. So I have showed you how to create an asset, how your account determination will coming, how your asset class is assigned, and where did we block the asset, where did we delete the asset, and how to change the asset, how to see the change log and change log AS4. So you can see the change log of the asset. So this is the you can see the change log. So it will be, you can, okay. Thanks, thank you so much. If you enjoyed my video, then please subscribe, like it, and ring the bell button to get the instant my uploading alerts. And I hope I'm coming with new videos. Thank you so much, and wish you all the best. Bye. Take care.